Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to unlock and lock your laptop's touchpad. So without wasting much of your time, let us dive into it. So if you look closely, you will notice this yellow light glowing here. This shows that the touchpad is locked and cannot function. As you can see, nothing is working. I cannot operate my laptop, the touchpad is not working. So how do you unlock it? You unlock it by double tapping this area. As you can see, now the light has gone off. It will start working. Now you can see it's working. And if you want to lock it again, you follow the same procedure by double tapping this area again. Now it's locked. And if you notice in the screen, you can see the indication that shows it's locked. You see, so it's no longer working. So this is how to lock and unlock your touchpad. Okay.